Okay, so here's what we're trying to do here. This is the clutch fluid hardline that comes from the master cylinder down to the slave cylinder. Well, actually a flex line that goes to the slave cylinder. This fitting is messed up. Given the space here, even if I could cut off that flare and replace this nut because it's got a bad thread, it won't thread in. There's really not enough room here to do it, even if I had the equipment to do it. So we're just going to try to bend up a new one and try to match that shape. I've done this before with steel hard line for fuel line for this truck, and it came out pretty good. We've got the tube bender here. It's a Harbor Freight model. I'm sure I'm going to put up the number for you and the information for it right about here, so you can look it up and see that. This is about an $8 or $10 piece. Cast aluminum. Works pretty good. It's a hand bender. There's plenty of other bending videos on YouTube, so you can figure that out. I'm not going to be too instructive about this, but let's get to it and see how it goes. All right. 45-degree bend here to start. Pretty much start on either end. I'm going to start on this end. Did not get to this. Only got to the seal. Oh dear. Come on. In there. Yes.
Pretty good, babe.
Close. That's close. And that's in the same plane going the other way. So that's about here. Should mark it on the other side. And that'll be the back side. Come here. Come here, come here, come here.
Yes?
Press that down.
Press what down?
Handle. Just until you feel tension. Hold it. Pull up a little bit. Okay. Go ahead. Hold it. Go on. One more. Whoa. Perfect. Well, yeah, thank you.
Well, you didn't tell me what you want.
Well, what goes down must come up.
I can't always read your mind, darling.
What goes down must come up. That's close. Okay, now I'm gonna go back angle a little bit.